どうもライトです。日本に住みます。Hey, I'm Light. I live in Japan Saga, and thank you for watching my video. I've been in Japan for just over 5 years now, and when I came here the first time, I met so many people, wonderful people. Everyone is just so friendly and helpful, but after some time, you develop some goals and a routine, and you really start to value quality friendship over just people being friendly. It's nice to meet new people and go out, have fun. But now it feels like I don't want to waste my time if I know I'm just gonna, for example, people go out, drink, and I really don't want to do that so much anymore. So, for example, if you have a hobby and you play rugby with people, or you like a board game, you can go to a club here in Japan. In school it was the same. You play rugby, I played rugby, cricket, and was a runner, so I met so many people and I had so many friends. But now I'm changing so much. I'm the opposite. I want to exercise at home. I don't want to go out and waste time and money. I like books. Hence the name of this channel, Japanese Library. I like books these days. I just want to read. I want to make videos. If you look at my videos, it's all about books and studying Japanese. So that is really difficult for me to make friends. You can make study partners, but I am really the opposite. For example, in school, I just wanted to go out. Now, it's Saturday morning, it's really early, and I'm not going out. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here making a video. And I have plans to study, and that's weird. At least for me. And then another thing is, whatever makes you happy, you do that. When I go out shopping and I don't buy something specific, I just walk around, I feel guilty because I can use my time more productively at home, studying or exercising. So for me, being happy, that's really the number one thing. I don't go out to explore Japan as I used to. I will, but not as I used to, just drive and get lost. So in Japan I do have four people. Denny, Nicola, Micah. Well, I'm mentioning their names, I hope they don't mind. Also a guy, Masato, he's not gay. He's a really nice Japanese guy. And all of them, in this year I've met two of them once or twice, and it's almost the end of the year. It's insane. The relationship you have, you are friends, but it's not in South Africa where I meet my friends once or twice a week. Just go to their house, knock on the door, or even try to open the door. That's friendship in South Africa. But now we're all a little bit grown up in Japan with goals, clear goals, and we're chasing happiness and dreams and whatsoever, and it's difficult for me to schedule time to see people. Because I have really clear goals and I try to chase them every day. Also, if you move to Japan, the friendship you have with the people in your home country and your parents, your family, will definitely, I won't say go backwards, but you can't catch up so often. You can do that, but it's very difficult because I have a really good relationship with my best two friends in South Africa. I have more, but I used to see them so much, and we had a personal relationship where we spend time together, where now it's really difficult to keep up online. We never did that in South Africa because we just went to each other's house and opened the door and, dude, I'm here, I want food or anything. And now it's very difficult. So it's really, at the end, it's your life, but you can really feel in your heart something is missing, but you're chasing your dream, and you really hope, well, I hope that the people I love and I have really good relationships with understand how I feel. And that's all I can say for now. So you have a really beautiful day. またね。